Hi guys. Here we are. We're going to run some cool errands. Yeah, this isn't working. You're gonna have to enjoy this great angle because it's not gonna stay there. Yeah, oops. But I got my license, so here we are. We tried using my camera, but it didn't fit between my dashboard and my windshield. So that's the stitch. Oh yeah, Jillian, introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Jillian. You've probably seen me before. Not, hi.
You can connect to the aux if you want.
Heck yeah.
So I think we're going to the mall very quickly. We're going to Dunkin' Donuts. We're gonna go to possibly Target. And yeah, we'll just see. We'll see.
I'm so close to you. But I was sitting like this yesterday, so
I don't know this song.
I'm putting you on.
Oh. Okay, so we got our Dunkin' Donuts. Did you get thin straws?
Did I? Those were the straws.
I don't think those are the straws. Jillian,
Those were the straws.
go in and get more straws.
I'm wearing a dress.
And I'm wearing pants. Your point?
There weren't big ones. These were the only straws there.
No, there's other straws. Go get them. Go or ask if they're not there. You see this straw? This is a stirring straw.
I'm sorry.
It's not.
I'll be right back.
I got coffee all over the place. I got 2 double chocolate donuts. And let's just say this is gonna be some good Dunkin' Donuts. Look at this. She got the right straws this time. Uh-huh.
Ow. Got him.
Wow.
Oh, they're selling the Lemay one or something.
This is good. Liquid sugar from Dunkin' Donuts. You can't get the regular sugar because then it's all gritty. All right, sounds good. We're gonna hit this car.
Yeah.
Sorry. Excuse me. I'm sorry.
No, I think that was someone locking their car.
Go. Oh.
The best of both worlds. Chill it out, take it slow. Then you rock out the show.
I'm not close enough. No, this way. Literally me pumping gas for the first time. How do I open this?
Twist it.
Okay.
But you can't overfill it, you know.
Okay. Well, it's in there, but
Hold the... Oh no, our parents are gonna watch this and like want to murder us.
okay. I think I'm just gonna
Hold the thing.
this thingy.
Yeah. Hold it.
I'm so confused. Where do I put this in? I got the gas.
It was an adventure.
I figured it out on my own. Kinda, not really, she helped, but like on my own without an adult. So I'm proud of myself for that. So now we're gonna head to the mall because I want to get some Vans. And I think probably something else. I don't really know, but yeah. I'll put it in a song. I can't ever be brave, 'cause you make my heart race. You've got that one thing. So get out, get out, get. I should have got in that lane. That was good. I'm proud. I'm confused. I don't know what this is. What?
You'll understand.
I still don't know what it is.
Okay, like I said, you'll understand soon, hopefully.
You can't turn there, mister. It's illegal.
Calling the cops. Ready?
What? Loud.
Do I like it?
we'll see. So we just finished up at the mall that you saw in that clip. We didn't film much, but that's only because we're kind of in a rush. I'm vlogging and driving. Wow. No, I'm in a drive-thru. We're good. But we went to Home Goods, checked out that place for like 10 minutes because I wanted to look at more stuff for my room. And now we're in the Chick-fil-A drive-thru, and then we're gonna go home and eat there. Yeah. Hi, this lighting like really sucks, but like what you gonna do about it, you know? Jillian just left, and now I'm gonna show you what I got from the mall. So I got my new shoes that I've been wanting for the past like little bit now. They're just the plain white Vans, and they match everything. They look so cute, and like they're just perfect for like spring and summer and stuff, so I was like, perfect. And then I actually purchased the jacket that I saw at Forever 21. The original price was 40 bucks, but I got it for 19. I feel like I'm really gonna wear this a lot like next year. I might wear it a couple times this year, but I feel like most of my use will be next year. Also from Forever 21, I got this necklace, and it's just like, I think it's a choker. Yeah, it's a choker, and like, I don't know, it's really pretty. I like the detail, it's like, it's the simplest necklace ever. But I like the bohemian like necklaces and simple stuff. It's cute. When I got home, I did get in trouble because I was 10 minutes late. That's fun. Yep, well, that's it. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow all of my social media. Here's the outro.